welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on this eye look. It's gonna be a tutorial slash first impression using a new palette from Profusion Cosmetics. I'm super excited for you guys to check this video out. If you guys like what you see, then definitely keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Genesis. Welcome to the beauty family. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the family, and if you're oldie but a goodie, then welcome back. Enough of me rambling, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by priming my eyes. I'm gonna be using my I Love Stage Primer by Essence. I'm just gonna go ahead and be applying that on my eyelids just to get them ready for the eyeshadow. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that there, and then we're just gonna go ahead and blend them out. So today we're actually gonna be using a new palette, and this is by Profusion. It's called the Sultry palette. This was actually sent through PR, so thank you so much, Profusion, for sending this to me. It's my first time trying it out, and I actually included this palette as part of my giveaway as well. One of you guys are going to be lucky enough to try this out. So today is going to be kind of like a first impressions eye tutorial kind of thing to see how I like the palette, to see if it's pigmented. And the price is $10 for this whole palette, which I think is pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and play with it today, wing it out. I'm going to see what kind of look I come up with, and we'll see if it's worth it or not. So I'm going to go ahead and set the eyeshadow base. We're going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade Canny, so our eyes won't crease or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and take the eyeshadow and we're going to apply it all over the eye. So there's that right there. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and grab this color here, Wonder. And I'm going to be using this as a transition shade. So let's go ahead and grab that one. Ooh, she is pigmented. There's that color right there. I wasn't expecting that much pigment. Now I'm going to go in with the color here, Zing. It's a little bit of a deeper brown just to darken up that crease. So let me get a brush, see what's popping. I'm going to go ahead and work on my lid color now. For my lid color, I think I'm going to take this color right here. It's actually like really speaking to me, this royalty color. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that on a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and pack it onto my lid. I'm going to spray my brush first with some Fix Plus. You guys know how that goes. And I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that royalty. Wow. You know what sounds good? Arroz con leche with bolillo. For my brow bone color, I'm going to use the same color that we use to set it. So I'm just going to grab an angled brush. So moving on, I'm not sure if I want to do an eyeliner with this look. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop my lashes, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom. For my lashes, I'm going to be using my Cocoa lashes in the style Goddess. So we're going to go ahead and let that glue dry down. While that dries down, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my waterline. I'm going to be taking my Italia black eyeliner to fill in my waterline. I was going to put like the beige waterline like I usually do, but I really wanted kind of to like smoke this out since I did not use eyeliner. So I am going to be using a black eyeliner today for my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the color Zing, and I'm going to buff that all under my waterline. Now I'm going to grab more of that darker, deeper brown in the shade Risky. I'm going to focus it on my bottom outer waterline, if that makes sense. I'm going to be adding an inner corner highlight. I think I'm going to go for this one right here in the shade Burr, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that inner corner. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using my Big Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. That is pretty much the eye look right there. We're going to go ahead and add a lip color just to kind of pull this look together. So I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 358 Cowboy. And I'm going to be lining my lips with this Ofra. It's actually an eyebrow pencil, but I'm going to be using it for my lips today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my lips with liquid lipstick. So those are the lips. And let's go ahead. Should I add highlight or no? Like on my cheeks?
No.
Looks fine like that. Yeah. He's just saying this because he doesn't want to sit here any longer. You freaking jerk. He's like, no. Whatever. I don't think I'm going to add highlight though. I kind of like how it looks like this. So this is pretty much the final look, you guys. So my final thoughts on this Profusion Sultry eyeshadow palette. Do I recommend this? I definitely do recommend this. I'm like really impressed with this palette. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors from this palette and I was actually really impressed. They were actually pigmented. I didn't think they were going to be pigmented. I thought I was going to have to like keep dipping in, but they're actually pigmented. It does have fallout, but I mean, what palette doesn't have fallout? But for $10 for 24 eyeshadows, I think that's a pretty good deal. And they have different kind of palettes, but I like this one just because of the color, of the diversity it has. It has like your transition shades, it has your golds, it has pops of colors, it has these lighter colors here. I don't know, I really like this palette. I don't know why I had not used it, but I wanted to kind of film a video on it, so I'm really happy that I did. What do you guys think? Is this look good or not? Let me know what were your thoughts on this palette. Do you think it's good? Are you gonna pick it out? I know you can get their stuff online, but Target actually carries their brand now too. So if you head to your Target, you will find like a little section of the Profusion cosmetics, which I've seen myself, and they do have their palettes. This is part of like their new holiday collection, I believe. So you guys should definitely check it out. It's only $10 if you're on a budget like I am. I think that's such a good price, even for like a stocking or a gift. I think it's pretty great. So check it out, you guys. Leave any comments down below, any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave it down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can become part of the beauty family. And if you guys have any video suggestions, if you want to see a certain look, if you want to see a certain video, just comment down below and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.